According to WebMD, arteries are crucial blood vessels that transport oxygen-rich blood throughout the body, delivering essential nutrients to vital areas such as the brain, heart, and even the toes. Maintaining healthy arteries is not only important for overall well-being but is also essential for preventing serious health issues like heart attacks and strokes. The British Heart Foundation emphasizes that many individuals with blocked arteries or a condition known as atherosclerosis may be unaware of their issues until they experience symptoms such as angina, chest pain, or claudication, pain in the legs. Unfortunately, for some, the first sign of a problem may be a life-threatening event like a stroke or heart attack. Before you start to worry about your arterial health, it's reassuring to know that there are simple dietary changes you can make to support and improve your arterial health. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can help keep your arteries clear and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss our videos. Here are some foods and drinks that can help maintain healthy arteries and prevent future health issues. Number 1. Fish. Incorporating more fish into your diet can be extremely beneficial. Fish, particularly fatty varieties, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to positively influence blood cholesterol levels, ultimately reducing the risk of clogged arteries. A significant study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that women who consumed 2 or more servings of fatty fish per week enjoyed better cardiovascular health compared to those who consumed less. Options like herring, tuna, trout, mackerel, and salmon are excellent choices that not only taste great but also provide essential nutrients for heart health. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in heart disease. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are not only refreshing but also incredibly beneficial for your cardiovascular system. Research has shown that these fruits can significantly reduce blood pressure and lower the risk of atherosclerosis. A study conducted by the University of Southern California's Department of Preventive Medicine indicated that foods high in viscous fiber, often found in citrus, help protect arteries from clogging. Including grapefruit in your breakfast routine can be a delicious way to enjoy these benefits. Not only are they tasty, but they are also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to heart health. Number 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrients and have been linked to improved arterial health. A study by Yale University's Prevention Research Center found that regular consumption of walnuts can enhance arterial flexibility, a key factor in maintaining cardiovascular health. Additionally, Spanish researchers reported that consuming about 8 shelled walnuts can be more effective than olive oil in protecting arteries from damage after a high saturated fat meal. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, oatmeal, or enjoying them as a snack. Number 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with beneficial nutrients for your arteries. A study published in the Canadian Journal of Cardiology indicated that flax seeds could play a significant role in preventing cardiovascular disease. According to the Cleveland Clinic, flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, and phytoestrogens, all of which boost heart health. They can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods. You can find flax seeds in ground form or incorporated into various breads and cereals, making them an easy addition to your diet. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric should be your go-to spice when it comes to heart health. Numerous studies, over 200, have examined the therapeutic effects of turmeric and its active compound, curcumin, on various heart conditions. Not only does turmeric help protect the heart, but it also combats metabolic issues that can lead to heart disease. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your meals by adding it to soups, stews, or golden milk, a popular beverage made with milk, turmeric, and spices. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits, particularly regarding cardiovascular health. A significant study involving 40,530 Japanese adults found that those who drank more than 5 cups of green tea daily had a 26% lower risk of heart attack or stroke and a 16% lower risk of death from all causes compared to those who consumed less than 1 cup daily. The antioxidants in green tea, especially catechins, play a vital role in protecting the heart and improving blood vessel function. Number 7. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a delicious spice. It also offers a variety of health benefits. It acts as an antioxidant, possesses anti-inflammatory properties, and may help reduce the risk of heart disease. A study published in Diabetes Care found that cinnamon can improve glucose levels and lipid profiles in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, a meta-analysis conducted by the College of Pharmacy at Western University of Health Sciences concluded that cinnamon can help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or in your morning coffee for an easy boost. Number 8. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are not only delicious but also offer impressive heart health benefits. Research from Life Extension indicates that pomegranates can prevent several pathological changes associated with cardiovascular disease. This fruit fights cardiovascular issues by reducing oxidative stress and supporting the synthesis and activity of nitric oxide, which is crucial for healthy blood flow. You can enjoy pomegranates as a snack, in salads, or as juice, but it's best to choose the whole fruit for maximum health benefits. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining your arterial health and reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.